Hello students, good morning. How are you? I think you must be in a fine hotel. This is Singh sir. Welcomes you to the YouTube channel. Guys, here is an advice for you. On the eve of this critical juncture of urgency of COVID-19, here is an advice for you. Stay home, safe home, wear mask, wash your hands and maintain social distance. So students, in my last class, I have taught you about the sentence. So today, let us solve the exercises as well. The first question is, rewrite each sentence in the exclamatory form. So before we solve the exercise, we solve the questions, let me tell you once again that what is exclamation? A sentence that portrays the strong emotion of the speaker, that is called exclamation. Suppose I say, the sun is very hot, and if I turn it into exclamation, the answer will be, how hot the sun is. And one thing is that there should be an exclamation mark at the end of the sentence, and the sentence must be begin with how and what, and the last part of the sentence, at the end of the sentence, the exclamation mark should be put. The second question is, she looked very lovely. She looked very lovely. The question is, she looked very lovely. The answer is, how lovely she looked. Then exclamation mark. Number 3, this mountain is very high. Once again, this mountain is very high. The answer is, how high this mountain is. Then exclamation mark. Number 4, the Taj looks very beautiful. The Taj looks very beautiful. The answer is, how beautiful the Taj looks. How beautiful the Taj looks. Then number 5, these children are very naughty. These children are very naughty. The answer is, how naughty these children are. How naughty these children are. Then next question, rewrite each sentence in the assertive form. Rewrite each sentence in the assertive form. Before you do the exercise, let me tell you what assertive is. A sentence that declares something is called an assertive or declarative sentence. A sentence that declares something is called an assertive or declarative sentence. Yesterday I told you what is assertive, that is declarative. Again I am repeating the same sentence. So, in a assertive sentence, the sentence should begin with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. That is called assertive sentence. The sentence should begin with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. It is called assertive sentence. So our first question is, how kind God is. It is in the exclamation form. How kind God is. The sentence is in exclamation form and we have to turn it into assertive or declarative form. So the answer is, God is very kind. God is very kind. Second, how tall that girl is. How tall that girl is. So the answer is, the girl is very tall. The girl is very tall. Number 3, how big our country is. How big our country is. The answer is, our country is very big. Our country is very big. Number 4, how cruel the king was. How cruel the king was. The king was very cruel is the answer. The answer is, the king was very cruel. Number 5, how sweet these mangoes are. How sweet these mangoes are. The answer is, these mangoes are very sweet. These mangoes are very sweet. So guys, our next question is, rewrite each sentence in the interrogative form. Rewrite each sentence in the interrogative form. So, before we solve these questions, let me tell you about what is an interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. It ends with a question mark. It ends with a question mark. So, the question is, it rained last night. And this question is in simple past form. And if you want to turn it into an interrogative sentence, first we should write did in the beginning. Did it rain last night? Did it rain last night? Number 2, it is raining outside. It is raining outside. The answer, is it raining outside? Answer, is it raining outside? Number 3, it has rained all night. It has rained all night. Then the answer is, Has it rained all night? Has it rained all night? Number 4. It will rain in the evening. It will rain in the evening. The answer is, will it rain in the evening? Will it rain in the evening? Number 5. It rains every day on the hills. It rains every day on the hills. So the answer is, does it rain every day on the hills? Does it rain every day on the hills? Then our next question. Tick the correct circle. Tick the correct circle, and P stands for phrase. P stands for phrase, and S stands for sentence. S stands for sentence. So here is the question for you. Number 1. Under the tree. You see, if you find any word in this group of words, if you find a verb or any verb in this group of words, you can call it a sentence. And if there is no verb in this group of words, we can call it a phrase. Suppose you see, अंडर द ट्री. देखिए, इसमें कोई वर्ब नहीं है. शो अंडर द ट्री, इट्स ए फ्रेज बिकॉज देर इज नो वर्ब. इफ देर इज वर्ब, वी कैन कॉल इट ए सेंटेंस. इफ देर इज नो वर्ब, we can call it a phrase. Under the tree. इसमें आप देख सकते हैं कि इसमें कोई verb नहीं है. If there is no verb in this group of words, it's a phrase. Number 2. Behind the door. इसमें भी आप देख सकते हैं कि इसमें कोई verb नहीं है, तो इट्स ए phrase. You see, there is no verb in this group of words. There is no verb in this group of words, so we can call it a phrase. Number 3. Radha sings well. Radha sings well. Here you see, sings is the verb. Sings is the verb. So it's a sentence. It's a sentence. In the year 2004, there is no verb. So we can call it a phrase. It's a phrase. The sun gives light. The sun gives light. So gives is the phrase. Here gives is a phrase, so we can call it a sentence. We played a match. We played a match. So played is the verb. It's a sentence. You should work hard. Here work is the verb, so it's a sentence. In a corner of the park, there is no verb here. इसमें कोई verb नहीं है, so it's a phrase. With some of his friends, with some of his friends, there is no verb here. We find there is no verb. It's a phrase. Next question. Rewrite each sentence correctly. Rewrite each sentence correctly. Also say whether the sentence is assertive, interrogative, exclamatory or imperative. The sentence, whether the sentence is assertive, interrogative, exclamatory or imperative. Here, question number 1, how hot the sun is? The answer, how hot the sun is. At the end of the sentence, we should put an exclamation mark. Then we should write what type of sentence it is. So it is an exclamatory sentence. It's a exclamatory sentence. Number 2, what a lovely doll it is. What a lovely doll it is. What a lovely doll it is. Then we should write exclamation mark and it's an exclamatory sentence. Number 3, who teaches you English? You see, in the beginning of this sentence, who has been written? Who is there in the beginning of the sentence? So, it's an interrogative sentence. It's an interrogative sentence. Number 4, obey your parents and teachers. Obey your parents and teachers. This sentence represents the advice. It's an advice. So, we can call it an imperative. This is an imperative sentence. Number 5, the first day of the week is Sunday. The first day of the week is Sunday. It is an assertive sentence because the first letter we should write capital letter, and at the end of the sentence we should write a full stop. We should put a full stop here. Then it's an assertive sentence. Number 6, what is the first month of the year? In the beginning of the sentence there is the question word. In the beginning of the sentence there is the question word, and we should put a question mark at the last part of the sentence. At the end of the sentence we should write a question mark. We should put a question mark. So it's an interrogative sentence. It's an interrogative sentence. Question number 7. A sentence begins with a capital letter. Very shortly I have told you, sentence begins with a capital letter, and at the end of the sentence, if there is full stop, the sentence is called an assertive sentence. It's an assertive sentence. Question number 8. December is the last month of the year. December is the last month of the year. So, it is also an assertive sentence. Then our next question. Match the clauses to make sentences. I think you have made a mistake. I think you have made a mistake. She is the girl. She is the girl who has won the first prize. Who has won the first prize. She is the girl who has won the first prize. We can't start. We can't start as it is raining. We can start as it is raining. She told a story. She told a story that sounded false. She told a story that sounded false. I never do anything that is silly. I never do anything that is silly. Another question is that put the words in the correct order to make sentences. Put the words in the correct order to make sentences. इसमें कुछ जम्बुल वर्ड्स होते हैं. So we have to arrange them properly. We have to arrange them properly in order so that it can be a meaningful sentence. The jumbled words should be arranged in proper order so that it can be a meaningful sentence. The milk cow us gives. If we arrange these words proper order to make a sentence, we should write the cow gives us milk. The cow gives us milk. Number 2. The in east sun rises. The in east sun rises. So the answer is the sun rises in the east. Here the sun is the subject and rises is the verb. I have told you before, if there is verb, it's a sentence. So rises is the verb here. So the sentence is, the meaningful sentence is, the sun rises in the east. Number 3, A was great Gandhiji man. A was great Gandhiji man. So the answer is Gandhiji was a great man. Gandhiji was a great man. Question number 4. Those are girls what doing? Those are girls what doing? The answer is, what are these girls doing? What are those girls doing? Question number 5. Does Uncle Hoyer live here? Does Uncle Hoyer live here? The answer is, where does your uncle live? Where does your uncle live? It's an introductory sentence. Question number 6. An A is animal elephant big. An A is animal elephant big. So the answer is, an elephant is a big animal. An elephant is a big animal. So students, this is the end of the class, and I hope You must learn it well and it will be helpful. Thank you, and that's all.